Hi everyone, my name is Julie Goldstein and I'm the art teacher here at Carmel Mountain Preschool. Welcome to the Glen. Here we're actually growing sunflowers, and this is our cucumber garden. We have a whole herb garden here. This is where Jungle Joe teaches in his nature lab. We have snakes and we have lizards and geckos. And then up here is the studio. This is where we make art and we create. You can see we've been busy. Our table's full of paint. The kids always talk about the hummingbirds that they see or the dragonflies. They like to make art about nature. Doesn't get better than that.